Want to learn how to delete your TikTok account permanently? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I am already logged in. Make sure you are as well. Now tap on this profile icon on the bottom right corner. Tap on these three straight horizontal lines on the top right corner. Tap on manage account. On the top of this account section, tap on delete account. Below, switch to business account. So here you can see that if you delete your TikTok account, you will no longer be able to log into TikTok with that account. You'll lose access to any videos. You'll not be able to refund on any items you had purchased, and the information goes on. And the most important one is your account will be deactivated for 30 days. And if you really want to delete it, do not try to log in before 30 days and your account will be deleted automatically. So if you want to continue, tap on continue below. So here, to continue, you need to enter your password to confirm this account belongs to you. So first of all, try entering password. That is a current password, and when you're done, tap on delete account below. So if you're sure you want to delete this account, tap on delete. So you can see that you have successfully deleted your TikTok account. Tap on profile on the bottom right corner. So this is it. Here's an option of shine out. That means you've successfully deleted your account. Now, do not open or reactivate your account for at least 30 days. And then your account will be deleted successfully. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.